Morning to you all. Let us see how we can put our share link on the Snapchat. So I'll show you how you can keep your share link on your Snapchat story as a link. So someone clicks on that, that will be redirect to your share account. So let us do that quickly. So first of all, to keep your share on Snapchat, you need to take your profile of Shara. Means just remember that my profile link is gamedevtools.shara.com. So we need to enter this in the Snapchat. So this is my Snapchat. Just click on my story. So your camera will be open. You can press on here to have some images and click it. So I'm just adding this to my story. Before that, I'll click on this link symbol. So click on that and just type your URL as we remember that Shara URL, no? gamedev.shara.com. This is nothing but your profile on Shara. After entering your URL, click on this symbol, go means search symbol. Click on this. So it is asking attach to snap, so you should click on attach to snap. Now your Shara profile link is attached to this snapshot what you have taken now. So click on send. So this is my Snapchat story. So if I open this, there is a down link here. If you click on this, click on this link, this will directly be redirected to my Shara profile, my particular Shara profile. So if any of my friend leave a feedback here, for example, hey, what's going on. So if any of my friend did this to me, means just send this from his or her Snapchat, that will be directly delivered to me. See, for now I have sent to myself, so it came like this, hey, what's going on. So we'll check our Snapchat story now. This is my Snapchat and this is my story, and here is my Shara link to my Snapchat, and I'll make it somewhat clear. So what I'll do is, I'll delete this, I'll do it once again. I'm going to show somewhat a clear identification of my Shara linking to Snapchat to my friends. I'll show how simple we can do that. The process is same, but I'll just add a text to it. This is my Snapchat story, and this way I link my Shara profile, and here in the text I'll give as same game dev tools.shara.com. So one of my friend, if he sees this, I'll keep it here down at this area, because this is where he need to open this. So this is my Snapchat story for 24 hours. So this will be visible to all my friends. So if one of my friend looks at my Snapchat story gamedev.shara.com, so there is a chance that he leaves a feedback on my Shara profile like this. So in the Snapchat story area, I'm just leaving a text like my profile ID, so that it will be a clear identification that he may leave a feedback message on my Shara. So this is how you can actually link up your Shara profile ID on your Snapchat account. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. If this is helpful to you a bit, please share it to your friend, and thanks for watching.